guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing the monthly latest in beauty unboxing. For those of you who don't know, this is a monthly subscription service where you can choose to be sent either 3, 6 or 9 products with variant prices each month. I've chosen the 6 products each month, which is £15 including delivery. You will get an email on your payment day which allows you to then select the 6 products that you wish to receive from a vast array of products on their website. I think they do give you a few weeks to choose your products, but then if you don't choose they will just send you a bundle of whatever, so it kind of is a more bespoke subscription service because it can be a surprise one where you don't know what you're receiving each month, or you can choose your products. So normally each month I've usually tried these products a couple of times to be able to give you my sort of first impressions, but this month I just really haven't had chance since the products arrived. Plus a couple of them are a one-time use as well, so I didn't want to kind of destroy the packaging and not be able to show you the product as well. So what I'll probably do is just give you an update in next month's unboxing as to what my thoughts were on the products from this one. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything particularly you would like an update on. So let's get into it. And this month's freebie is a small box of Lindor chocolates, which are my absolute favourites. I've just actually finished a box that I got for Mother's Day, so I'm really excited to have a few more to delve into. I picked some slightly different things this month from what I usually kind of go for to broaden my horizons slightly, try a few more different types of products. So the first one I picked up is this mascara, and it is a 3-in-1 mask which comes with a pre-mask foaming cleanser, a serum infused sheet mask, and then a post-mask anti-aging night cream. And I thought this was really good that it was kind of 3-in-1 and it's got the instructions on the back there, so I'm looking forward to giving this a go. The next thing I picked up were these Skin Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. I've recently been struggling with puffy under eyes and dark circles and things, so I thought something like this would be really good to help soothe my under eye area. It comes with 1 pair of eye gels, so hoping to see if that can do anything to help my under eye area, which is really a problem at the moment. The next thing I chose is not very exciting in the slightest, and it's just some organic cotton pads. I was just coming to the end of a packet and, to be honest, couldn't be bothered going to the shops, so seeing that these were available and thought I'd give them a go, because with them being organic cotton I presume they're going to be slightly softer than normal cotton, and I'll go wrong with cotton pads, so not an exciting product but still nonetheless. I then picked up this Feather and Down pillow spray, and it is calming lavender and chamomile essential oils. My daughter's currently not sleeping at the moment and is back to being up a few times through the night, and I'm finding it hard to fall asleep quickly between getting up and down with her, so I thought something like this might sort of calm me back into a sleep quicker after she's disturbed me for the umpteenth time that night, so wanted to give this a go. The next thing is an Olay Regenerist 3-point day cream. I didn't think it'd be this small, to be honest. Again, there is always complete honesty. They do tell you the size of the products that you're getting, so you can work out if it is full size or is a sample size. I always forget to check, so didn't realise until I opened it and seen the size of this, but you will probably get a couple of uses out of it, and it's handy for travel anyway. And the final thing that I picked up was this Moroccan Oil Treatment. It's for fine or light coloured hair. I've been wanting to try something from Moroccan Oil for a long time, as my hairdresser actually uses this on me when I go to get my hair done in the salon, and it always looks really nice afterwards, but it can be quite pricey. So I thought, rather than spending a lot on a full-size product, even though I know I do like it, I don't necessarily know how to effectively use it. So I thought if I got a travel size one, I can see if it's effective enough on me to then purchase a bigger size bottle in the future. So that is all the products that I received in this month's box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.